Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve a graphics device driver error code 22, then let's look at the solutions. The first but obvious solution would be is to restart the computer. This might reset the graphics card or uh, fix any subtle changes in the graphics card regarding either the drivers or the hardware. And if at restart it works fine, then that's great. If not, then we need to update the graphics card drivers. So we do that by looking for device manager, click on it, and we will look for display adapters. Now this is my graphics card driver. I'll right click and I'll click on update. Now if that doesn't work and this error message still pops up, then we will again right click on this and we will look for scan hardware changes. This should probably fix the error, but if it doesn't, then bad news, because you will have to replace the graphics card. There's nothing more you can do about it. You will just have to replace the graphics card or this error will keep popping up. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.